KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
So, Mike, we've concluded yet another successful trade show here at the end of InfoComm 2018. And I thought that I'd ask you to share with the other folks who couldn't make the show what's new, what are the new initiatives, what's the strategy from KeyDigital, and what's our value proposition in our product line?
Well, it seems to be our original strategy of the concentrating on a new wave of technology, which people call AV over IP. It seems to be a correct strategy. We see a lot of positive feedback from the dealers that like this approach when they don't have to build separate AV or IP networks, and they can build one and use same expertise, same commodity, already established commodity techniques and products to connect using IP switches they know, using cables they know. And that seems to be a correct strategy. And we have additional layer on top of it that we actually went through a lot of pain to add very software-rich control environment on our products and make a user, end user dealer programming and a user controlling experience with our products easier and richer.
Yeah.
That seems to also pays off. People don't like cranky stuff, and once they're done programming, they have a very nice, user-friendly, very well-looking interface that's very flexible. So that seems to be the extra layer of software, which seems to be unique in this space. I think that was a right
as well.
Yeah, I think that's a right bet on our part. So we're looking forward for next year. We're going to add more products. We're going to add more techniques. We have a lot of ideas. And so success feeds. It's a positive feed. It helps. So I think we'll be able to impress and gain more attention of this market.
Excellent. Well, thanks for that, Mike. And for more information on KeyDigital's AV over IP offering called Enterprise AV, it's all at keydigital.com. We look forward to seeing you at the next trade show.